I'm Meleza Mohamedou and I work for Paris 21. Paris 21 stands for the Partnership in Statistics for Development in the 21st Century. Our aim is to improve the generation, dissemination and use of data in low-income and middle-income countries.
Okay, so the Accelerated Data Program that we all call ADP is a program that started in 2006. It was originally a program that was intended to accelerate data production in low and middle income countries. So instead of investing in more data collection, knowing that data collection anyway would happen, we decided to invest the relatively limited resource we had in promoting the use and reuse, repurposing of existing data. So we started this Accelerated Data Program with first activities related to documentation, preservation, cataloging, and dissemination of microdata.
I'm Mahesh Subedi, the Program Officer for ADP IHSN, and I'm working in Paris 21. One of the main tasks of the ADP is to document household survey and census data, and the data documentation is important for a number of reasons. First, to archive and preserve data for institutional memory, to increase the quality of data, and to make survey data, especially the microdata, more available to the users.
I'm Shelton Kanyanda. I'm the Regional Program Coordinator for Anglophone Africa. We are actually looking at the planning itself, and also beyond the planning, the use of statistics. And after that, we want to make sure that the statistics that they are producing, they are used. We are not just only looking at the use at macro level, we are also advocating for the various uses of statistics at macro, also at micro level. And then we're also extending the national statistical system to other users of statistics. We are actually excited because we are now working together with the ADP, the Accelerated Data Program, where they are actually even thinking that the planning and budgeting for surveys.
My name is Jeffrey Greenwell. I'm Paris 21 Data Group Coordinator. We like to focus, the ADP, the Accelerated Data Program, likes to focus on regions, and we have regional partners that will help us in implementing the program. So in this case, we've worked in Southern Africa, and in this particular conference, it has been hosted by Data First from the University of Capetown, and we've gathered together members from, or our focal points from all statistical offices throughout the region. We focus on the region and we try to find microdata that's available at the region so that it can enhance the quality of research that's being undertaken. And it's not just the Africa region that we're working throughout the world. The program, the ADP, has now been active in Latin America, it has been active in the Asia and the Pacific, in the Middle East, and in Europe it has been active. So we've been active all over the world.
So the ADP and Data First partnered in 2008 to provide training and to install software with African data producers, mainly the national statistics offices, to allow people to manage their data better. So it's gone are the days where you do a survey, you produce a report, you hand the report to government, and that's the end of it. So we work to get that data into the research domain. Researchers use it and they make policy feedback.
My name is Yo-Yo Chen. I work for Paris 21 as an ADP project officer, and I'm based in Paris. As more and more users are looking for microdata, statistical agencies and data producers are challenged to not only make data more accessible, but also to protect the privacy of the respondents. So one way to do it is to set up dissemination policies, but another way is to apply statistical disclosure control methods to the microdata before they release it to the users.
Many of you have been active with the ADP from a long time ago, understand the program, you know where we've come from. Some of you are just like Swaziland, you have some questions about the program. You have an interest, you still are not even on board, but you are interested in it. So you don't know exactly where you're going. You'll cover these 6 issues. So we would like for you to have a PowerPoint presentation that will discuss issue number 1, moving from data discovery, that's to say going into your inventory, and doing production workshops to how you institutionalize the documentation processes. Issue number 2 is going from just an NSO central catalog to an extended NADA catalog. Extended meaning collections. Issue 3, static NADA management to more dynamic management, meaning how are you going to integrate your NADA into your website? How are you going to make it look and feel more like part of your website? How are you going to work on user management? How are you going to use the reports? So think about how you can move forward towards more dynamic management and control of your national data archive. Issue 4 is creating data dissemination policies. So issue 5, moving to the user side, we heard a lot from groups, user groups. What do you need to help invite users to use the data? Promote research. And issue 6, focusing on task 2, as Olivia mentioned today, task 2, improving the reliability and relevance of survey data.
Dr. Arul Sivanathan Naidu from South Africa. I'm the head of marketing and stakeholder relations at Statistics South Africa.
I'm the IT advisor to the National Institute of Statistics of Rwanda.
My name is Binyam Taddasa. I'm from Ethiopia. I work as a website and database administrator in the Central Statistical Agency.
My name is Mutua Kakinyi from Kenya National Bureau of Statistics.
I'm Simon Ulenga. I'm from Namibia. I work for the Namibia Statistics Agency. I'm a webmaster.
I am Kahiso Matabane from Statistics Botswana. I am an IT officer as well as a statistician.
I'm very pleased to have had the opportunity to attend this workshop. This is the first interaction that Statistics South Africa has had with the accelerated program, the ADP. And the benefit for us is that in the past, Statistics South Africa has focused on aggregate data and making reports and releases available to our users. We have neglected microdata, and this opens the way for us to go back and formulate a policy for microdata dissemination.
Most of the time, when we look at this National Data Archive or NADA catalog, we see it as a tool to capture microdata. However, it has a functionality of having publications as well. So using or extending the use of NADA not only to disseminate microdata, but also the associated documentation such as publications, questionnaires, is an excellent tool to bring them together in a unified way of disseminating data from a National Statistics Office perspective.
My name is Daniel Muga. I'm from Kenya. I work for Civil Registration Department as an Assistant Director responsible for information systems. I think the ADP program is very, very important because it brings together producers, researchers, as well as users of vital registration, as well as other forms of data.
My name is Blandina Kilama, a researcher with REPOA based in Dar es Salaam. At REPOA, we undertake research on growth and development, social protection, and governance and service delivery. I am from Tanzania, and we work a lot with the National Bureau of Statistics. As a researcher, we need data. We use this for training, but also for our own analysis. The main challenge that we face is the data that we receive at times come up with a delay. We wish we can get the data a little bit earlier so that we can inform on-time policies.
My name is Shebo Nali Shebo. I'm from Zambia. I work for an institution called Zambia Institute for Policy Analysis and Research. I am a research fellow in public finance With regard to our collaboration with especially the Central Statistical Office, they do a lot of work with regard to research. They spend so much money, but they always like to sort of ring fence what they do, and you don't really know what's going on. So as a user, I'd like to see a situation where probably on a regular basis they inform us what exactly it is that they're doing.
My name is Caroline Masendeke. I'm from Zimbabwe. I'm the founder and national coordinator for a local NGO called Research and Information Services. We are working with traditional leaders in helping them to facilitate data collection, and so they'll be the producers of data and the first users of data. And yeah, we are also then making sure that then the data is used by secondary users, which are the line ministries and other key stakeholders.
I'm Leslie, working in Paris 21 in the data group, and we are bringing data to people and bringing people together.
My name is, okay.
My name is, are you going to start again?
Sorry.